Hi, it's Kit Bates here, and today the final video in a series on central bank digital currencies. And in this one I want to revisit two topics, one from I think video 2 and one from the last video, and it boils down to a final benefit to central banks if they issue their currency in a digital form. And I previously discussed that I do think that eventually they need to allow people to own it in a more real sense than just numbers in a database handled by a custodian. And the issue here that I want to consider is the one that the Federal Reserve, for example, doesn't actually know exactly how much physical cash is out there in circulation, which when I first read that, I thought, well, that's peculiar. But of course, they can't track every single dollar bill. So the estimates are that there's somewhere between 1.5 and $2 trillion, I think, in dollar bills, or $100 bills, anyway, notes, circulating around there, maybe sitting in vaults in places, also down the back of various people's sofas. And similarly, the bank can't trace the way that transactions are going. What's the rate at which the money is moving around? What's the money velocity? They can't get statistics on cash transactions because they're kept secret. So it would be immensely beneficial to a central bank if they knew to the penny how much cash was in circulation, which is something that a digital currency would allow them to do. And secondly, they'd be able to mine all sorts of information about how the cash economy is moving. Is it slowing down? Is it speeding up? What are average transaction sizes? Things like that, because that kind of data could be very, very useful for deciding on monetary policy. So that's the final benefit that I could see for central banks issuing their currency in a digital rather than in a physical form when it comes to the M0 money supply. And I think I'll wrap it up here and look forward to more comments in the comments section. See what you guys have to say. Anyway, that's it for now. See you in the next video soon. Bye.